Now, I'm not saying that settlement is legit. In fact, I'm not even saying that settlement is expected to happen by June 14th, but what I am saying is that settlement seems to be on the verge of happening in the next couple of weeks. And this has been confirmed not by me, but personally by Ripple CEO himself, which again we'll discuss later on in the video. In fact, just recently on a tweet that happened yesterday, Wall Street Bull cited breaking news, settlement reached between Ripple and the SEC. The full details for it are expected by June 14th of 2023. Could this be a new chapter to crypto? Stay tuned. He also cited a source stating that at the moment the details are highly confidential and I am unable to disclose them. However, rest assured that as soon as information can be shared publicly, I will provide an update. Thank you for your understanding and patience. Now let's be honest with ourselves. This is not something that's shocking. In fact, settlement has been brought up on multiple occasions, and even in an article that dated back to January 19th of 2023, Ripple CEO himself cited that the XRP lawsuit is going to be resolved by June. And today marks the official day 1 of June, as it is June 1st of 2023. Speaking to CNBC on January 18th at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple CEO, said that the verdict could come as soon as June, now that both parties have fully filed and fully briefed their arguments before the US District Court. Now keep in mind, today is officially June 1st, and this article is dated, so clearly there was something that was noted that they knew before we knew that June was the timeline. In an exact statement, he stated that we expect a decision from a judge, certainly in 2023. You don't really have control over when a judge makes their decision, but I'm optimistic that sometime in the coming single-digit months, we'll have closure there. That's not all. He stated that investors and Brad Garlinghouse himself believe that the facts, law, and court will ultimately decide with Ripple, citing that Ripple CEO also took the opportunity to ridicule SEC's embarrassing behavior displayed throughout the lawsuit, noting that the SEC's behavior in some of it has been embarrassing as a US citizen. Just some of the things that have been happening, like, you've got to be kidding me. He also affirmed that he was portrayed by regulators as it filed the lawsuit despite their efforts to meet with them on 3 separate occasions seeking regulatory clarity. To which he cites, not once did they say to me, we think XRP may be a security. So to later go back and say, hey, the whole time we thought XRP was security, we just didn't tell you, that doesn't feel like a genuine partnership between the public and private sector. This is where things get enticing and extremely enthusiastic, citing that Ripple would be open to settlement, but they would only settle if it was clear that XRP was not a security. Fast forward to a couple days ago, and Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse now says that judgment on the SEC XRP lawsuit is to come in weeks and not months, once again reaffirming the June timeline. We've seen a lot of things like this, and all of them go back to the idea of a settlement happening between both Ripple and the SEC. And that's not all. After doing further research into the SEC's personal website, they are not showing any more meetings. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, every Thursday from the beginning of the lawsuit till the month of June, there has been Sunshine Act notice meetings. These Sunshine Act notice meetings are crucial because they talk about 4 key topics and aspects that basically are directly linked to Ripple lawsuit. As you guys can see, the subject matters of these meetings are institution and settlement of injunctive actions, institution and settlement of administrative proceedings, resolution of litigation claims, and other matters related to the examination and enforcement proceedings. These are closed meetings. They are no way access to public, and you will not be able to watch what actually happens within these meetings. But as of June 1st, 2023, these meetings are officially eliminated. There is no more settlement topic meetings. In fact, while we look at the SEC website, and we'll pull it up right here for you, the only meetings available are the Small Business Capital Formation Advisory Committee meeting, the Compliance Matters meeting, and if we scroll a bit up, you're going to have the opening meeting right here and the Protecting Other Americans from Financial Fraud meeting. There is no more settlement meetings, guys. Once again, it brings us back to the point that settlement is most likely what is happening right now, and it is what we are looking at. Now, whether they've officially already settled or not, this is something that we won't be able to talk about, but what we can say is they're either done settling or they're in the process of settlement. Now, of course, in the next couple of clips, not only are we going to show you guys more facts to back this statement that was made, but we're also going to show you guys price predictions, and I think you guys are really going to like this. So I want to recommend that you guys hit that like button, you subscribe to the channel, to your post notifications, and of course you share this video to your friends and family. Now before we move further into this video, if you're trying to make yourself a ton of XRP by staking it, you'll have to use Dexpo, which is linked in the description. Now I do want to say that they just sponsored this video, but they are actually one of the greatest platforms that I personally use to stake my XRP, and I've been staking with them for some time. Now keep in mind, they give you your profits every single 8 hours and have over $386 million in total protocol liquidity, and that's increasing on a daily basis. They also have over 383 pairs and feature all of the top cryptocurrencies, including some of these smaller ones as well, so you can basically stake any cryptocurrency that you hold. And to top it off for you guys, they're doing a 100 XRP liquidity bonus, in which you get a 10-day liquidity bonus. The offer is limited, and make sure you guys take advantage of this. Again, the link is down in the description. They have a bunch of options like top up, withdraw, and view your transactions, and it is extremely simple to do all of this, and you can actually complete it in only a few clicks. I personally have not only been able to withdraw my profits, but also my initial investment, and they allow you to unlock your liquidity at any point in time and reap the rewards still that you have gained, so you basically don't lose. That being said, make sure you guys do use the link in the description, and let's get right back into the video. In the next couple seconds, once you guys see this clip right here, you're going to understand that everything that I've talked about prior to the little advertisement was factually based. In fact, this clip right here is going to prove everything that is going on, including a settlement announcement that is on the works and will be happening. So without any further ado, let's make you guys hear this clip first, and then we'll come right back and we'll talk really about some factually based price predictions for XRP.
And it's a matter of time, and the fact that Ripple is available on our platform, I believe at a extreme discount in the grand scheme of things, that it's a no-brainer, man. I can't believe that we haven't been fully subscribed yet today. Right now, PolySign is fully subscribed on our platform. That means, we sold out, but thankfully we're bringing back another batch tomorrow. So be prepared for us for a reload at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
So also from your personal experience, obviously, if Ripple were to IPO, they'd most likely have to wait till the case is over. Would you put a guess on how long after the case is over they might flip the switch to an IPO if they were to IPO?
Well, there would be a standardized, let's just say like a lockup period, which typically runs like 30 to 60 days. Don't quote me on that, but there's a lockup period to essentially maintain liquidity within the market, so there's no dumping and things like that, safeguards if you want to say. And so I want to be conscious of that. Will there be a flip of the switch moment? Who knows, to be determined. But I mean, I'm getting text messages from very interesting people saying it's over, and so I just. I don't want. I can't say anymore.
It is price prediction time, and as you guys can see, this has been trending absolutely everywhere on Twitter. So here is the price predictions. It cites keep these XRP prices on your charts, $13.59, when it is at the announcement of a settlement. This again is very important because this tweet right here, highlighted by a prominent analyst, cites the fact that this lawsuit is going to be over not by a Ripple win, but by in fact a Ripple settlement. The second price prediction is $157.29, and in this case, Hodl cites that XRP will be relisted on all exchanges, and that's what's going to pump the price to $157. The third price prediction now brings XRP into the thousands, citing $2,948.34. Citing the Ripple IPO and bank partners will trigger that price prediction. And last but not least, the ultimate $60 or at least almost $60,000 price prediction, which is the global CBDC integration. Once that happens, we are going to see this price point. Now keep in mind, he does highlight that these are based on facts. Now, I will make this clear, is that we were not provided sources as to exactly why and when these price predictions were given. but what we do know is that this must be some insider knowledge that us typical people don't know, and so this is the information that we were getting. That being said, I'm still firm on my XRP price prediction upon settlement, which is $7 to $13. But this, once again, is a very exciting news because if it ends up happening, we are all multi-millionaires. That being said, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you smash the like button, you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and of course, you share this video to your friends and family. And I'll see you guys in the next Crypto Geek video. Peace.